So we're about to get into a really key part of the course here and begin to look at both asking and answering questions. One key thing I want to note here is around intonation. So although we use this in English, it's used way more in Spanish to convert a sentence into a question. So in English, I could say in a monotone voice, "How is your day?" But you still know because of the structure that it's a question. I could also just make a statement and say, "Football was good today." And that sounds like my opinion. But if I change the way I say, "Football was good today," that sounds like a question. Does that make sense? So in Spanish, we have the same thing, but intonation is used a lot more. Most of the questions that you will receive, or most of the questions that you will ask, are actually just sentences, but because of the intonation, you can tell it's a question. So for example, if I wanted to ask you in Spanish, "Are you happy with your book?" There's no way for me to restructure the sentence to ask you it to say, "Are you happy with your book?" The way it's done in Spanish is you just say the sentence, "Estás feliz con tu libro?" which directly translates as, "You are happy with your book," which in English is a statement. But in Spanish, you'd say, "Estás feliz con tu libro?" At the end of the sentence, you just kind of curl your speech up, go a bit more high-pitched, and it moves from a sentence and a statement into a question. It's a little bit of a weird one to get your head around, but as you begin to progress with your Spanish and have more conversations or watch TV programs or whatever it might be, you'll begin to see that intonation plays a massive part in this language.